This article highlights the increasing integration of humanoid robots in automotive manufacturing, with a specific focus on BMW's partnership with robotics company Figure. Key points include: BMW is expanding the use of Figure's humanoid robots across its factories, moving beyond initial deployment at its Spartanburg, South Carolina plant. This expansion aims to automate challenging and hazardous tasks, allowing human workers to focus on safer, more complex roles. The implementation is driven by the goals of increasing productivity, reducing manufacturing costs, enhancing workplace safety, and integrating advanced technologies into production systems. Robot capabilities. Figure's robots demonstrate human-like dexterity and precision in tasks such as machinery operation and parts placement. Their autonomy is powered by the Helix machine learning model, enabling high-speed control and natural language task execution. The robots are able to recognize objects, and manipulate those objects in a very human-like way. Technological advancement. The Helix system's efficiency on low-power GPUs facilitates immediate commercial deployment. The robots are doing real production operations. Industry trend. This development signifies a broader trend in the automotive industry, where companies like Tesla and BMW are adopting humanoid robots to optimize production processes. The robots are intended to work alongside human workers, not replace them. This article provides a current look at the progression of automation in the automotive field, and the ways that robotics is being used to improve manufacturing.